Then on the menu, we got some garlic toast, twist toast, some raza pasta, y'all. This is some cheesesteak pasta, with some good old salad, with a good old Pepsi. And then I'm gonna play a game with y'all. They call Perfect Date Night Questions. It's a tonight conversation decoy game. Me and Boosie right there, y'all. Man, this looks so good. That girl 1-9. Pretty good. Okay, y'all, it says.
It's like Philly cheesesteak pasta.
It said, describe your ideal mate when it comes to dating. My ideal mate? Tall, handsome, sexy, someone who knows what you want, where you going, and I got him. What's y'all describe your ideal mate when comes to dating? What you think?
No wrong. Your ideal mate? Somebody who listen. You know, somebody who bring you peace.
Okay.
Maybe you know how to have fun.
Okay.
Gotta have somebody to get freaky, you know what I mean? In the late night.
Do I require all those?
Of course. You are.
Okay.
That's why we here.
I know that's right. Okay, it's like, do you feel it's okay to go through your sniff of the phone without permission? Why not? First of all, I did that once people's phone. That's when I was young. I ain't going to that problem. I ain't doing it anymore because I feel like whatever you do in the dark will come to light, you know? So, but I trust my partner I'm with now, so. And it's been going on 4 years, so. The other's still on. Really good, y'all. What about you?
No. We definitely went past that.